So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use multiple selector in with not selector in CSS. So let's get started. So here I have under the eval I have 5 li. And let's give it the number 3 and 4 and 5, and let's give the class name 1, class name 2, and I want to color all this, but I want to color all this li to color red, but except 1 and 2. So here I will use not operator, not selectors. So here to apply, let's first see how it is looking like. If you open in the live server, we can see we have the 5 list item, and we have first and 2 item have class name 1 and 2, and I want to apply the color except 1 and 2. So here I will use li. If I use li colors red, then it will be applied to all, apply to the all select all the list item. But if I want to escape with class name dot 1 comma dot 2, I am including the 2 selectors here. So if you want to pass the multiple selectors, you can separate with the comma. And if you see now, 1 and 2 is skipped because 1 and 2 is skipped from these selectors, and these are third and fourth and fifth item are being colored up to red. So this is how you can apply it multiple selector with not selector in CSS. Thanks for watching.